Fish on. Yes, he's awake now. Nice. That's a bream. Here he goes. Oh, he's just a little one. Oh, very, very small. Very, very small bream. Very small. I'll just get this hook out of his mouth and we'll put him back. Here you go, mate. See you, buddy. Well, Rufus? Huh? Looks like the brimbos have gone quiet in this spot. Let's go down the shore a bit and have a look. Come on. See if they're down here. Yes, fish on. Nice. Yes. Oh, he's got a bit of head shake, this one. Come on, mate. What do we got? He's just a little brimbo. Damn, they're small. He's so small again. Oh. Come on, mate. There we go. Just a really, really little one this time. But they're in there. Hopefully the big ones are in there with them. There you go, mate. There he is. He's fine. Ready to move down again? Come on. Let's go down a bit more. Let's move on. This looks all right. Let's give this a go. Let's fish on. Fish on. Nice. Let off a bit of a drag, I think. Here we go. Come on, mate. I think he's only a little one. Yeah, just a little one. A lot of little bream in here today. A lot of little ones. Oh, geez, he's small. Ow. Another little one. We'll just put him back. There he goes. What are you doing? You're asleep, are you? Huh? Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. Off you go.